Are we stupid?
I'm feeling stupid.
I'm feeling stupid. So what you do?
Real, we all stupid in this mother. Look, do you know what fame means? Fuck all my enemies. Bitch, you ain't no friend of me. Bitch, you ain't even no kin of me. You ain't my cousin. You look like McLovin. Not Anthony Simmons, but you look Bennins. I am a penance. Lick on these lemons. Boy, they are sour. I'll be here for an hour in a cold shower, so I don't get hard with my guitar. I will strum it with my dick. I don't use a pick, bitch. Look at these motherfucking nuts. Look, put them in your butt like what? Suck a duck in a cluck, cluck, cluck. You chicken, beat me in my kitchen. I be in here with them kitchens. Boy, look at you. You look like Lil Wayne. I am a young buck. You're not the game. Boy, I feel lost like Gorilla Zoe. And guess what? Your mom sucked on my big toe.
Stupid Fruity Bobby got the stupid stacks like you fucking smokes crack, but he doesn't, he don't smoke it. You snort it like you fucking pig, like I don't got a gig. Bitch stick on my dick like a fucking little stick. That's just, you know, motherfucking game. People are lame and sometimes insane. Feeling a little stupid cause I smoke myself retarded cause I'm not fucking Pop-Tart Simmons. Looking like a Gibson, wanna date Jessica Simpson like a fucking dimple in his face like he is a white cracker with glasses. Looks like a Harry Potter, no fucking gardener, a fucking partner. Who is this behind me? Avery Simmons. She looks kinda stupid.
Bitch, you Lilo and Stitch. I am not a snitch, but I will get you some hair. And bitch, I don't care. You like a polar bear. You live in the water. I'm like a snorter. I don't snort crack. I just put it in my back pocket and light it like a rocket and stick it in the socket and then go iron my damn clothes and call up some hoes. Put them in my ride and then go say goodbye to the real mamas, cause they are some milfs. Mothers are like the fuck, put them in the butt, and do they scream, Hail Mary, Marky, stop!
Oh, that was hot.
Make it hot,
That was hot.
Make it hot, B.O.B.
I gotta try to make it hot. I don't know, I ain't making no promises.
Oh,
But once again, from the northeast, Bobby's back on this motherfucking track like yo other fake rappers are whack. This is B.O.B. bitches, motherfucking snitches. Better get in the dishes, then do my dishes. Go take a fish and maybe see my wish. Birthday coming up July 23rd like a fucking bird. Drop unexpectedly like fucking flyers. No fucking liar. This is Bobby once again with his little 8 nipples looking like a fucking crip, cause he is taking a sip of this hypnotic liquor, looking like a slicker. I ain't no wisher, I ain't a fucking Captain Crunch asshole, like a fucking